Hello everyone and welcome to another video of Solidworks training session. In this video I'll be demonstrating how to use the revolve feature and also the swept feature. So let's get started. Click on the front plane and on the sketch and make sure the plane is normal too, and click on the center line and let's make center line horizontally, and let's make another center line through the origin, and now this time it's through an angle with reference to this axis. So click on escape to make an exit from the sketch center line command, and now let's make a center rectangle. Which is offset from this center line, and let's now do the revolve command. Click on revolve, and for the sketch counter select this sketch, and for the axis select this axis. Now you get a 3D cylinder out of the sketch counter. So to switch the axis, click on this axis. Now you also can form a donut shape like structure from the center rectangle and the revolve command. So let's try something else. So click on normal tool and let's drag this center rectangle to the side, and let's reduce the dimensions of this, and let's trace a circle, and let's make sure like we get enough distance to revolve. And now let's make sure that both are horizontal. Both centers have a horizontal relation. Let's click on revolve and let's select this axis. Now it looks better. Like now we revolve two bodies. Now we'll revolve two sketches to form a 2 3D solids. Alright, so we can also try something else. What if I want to make a rectangular slot into this ring, into the circular ring? How do I do it? Let's go back to the sketch and click on normal tool, and let's make this sketch coincident to the center of the circle. Alright, click on exit, and let's assign this revolve angle to 200 so that it can give you a better visibility. Click on OK. So now you see a rectangular slot into a circular ring. So this is how you can utilize the revolve command, and you can make the same thing with use of sweep command. So let's try. Click on delete, and let's make it a normal too, and let's click on the right plane and on sketch, and let's use the arc, the point arc, and let's make an arc, and let's use the sweep command. For the profile, select this sketch, and for the sketch profile select the sketch, and for the path select this. Now you get now you got the same profile with sweep command. So this is how the sweep and revolve works. So thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave below in the comments box.